way. It doesn't. I don't see anything.
On like the other side of the island.
And that rock structure
The rock
also.
structure as well. It's right around the bend of the trail. The hiking trail here.
No, it's not. I mean, believe me, I can see. All right, I'm moving up. Wow. I definitely want to see Lauren jump in.
Oh, really?
Well, that is.
But this on the right is like pretty much
pretty.
the same as like the blue grotto.
Wow. Gorgeous. Oh, wow. And it goes underneath. Oh. Wow. Sorry, Lauren. Wow. Ha ha ha. Can I close the radio? Oh.
Bottle of water?
Oh, is that their home? No.
So is this boat that you're getting now, is it bigger coming to sleep or?
Oh, yeah.
Better.
Bigger.
So maybe I would actually go for that.
Yeah.
We said it before, but.
You'd have a cabin, yeah.
So what are you going to do with the other boat?
Stu's dad. He's selling it.
A nice boat for a fixer.
Yeah, but a bigger fixer up.
Bigger fixer.
Well, you like doing it, so. That's your happy place.
It is.
This is my happy place. That's your happy place. My happy place is when the boat's fixed up. Then one.
One night. It all depends. If that one night's not good, you don't want it. You don't want to. You don't want two. I don't think he owns this yet.
I know. Can't he? I mean, like, there's the shore there, and they have a place to tie up.